So today we will discuss factorization. Means we will break a number, any equation in such a way that further it cannot be broken. Like 20, it has irreducible, means 4 into 5. So 4 again we can break. Okay, so this we are not taking. We will take some other. If these two numbers 21, if we will take 21, then what will equal to 7 into 3. Now 7 is also not further breakable, reducible, and 3 also you cannot reduce further. So like this, if for any equation, if you will do irreducible factor, so that is known as the factorization. So we will do it here. All the questions we will do in this way, keeping this in mind, further it cannot be reduced. So question number 1 and sub question 3rd. Some sample questions we are doing. All questions it is not possible. Its video will be too much lengthy. So here you have to find the common factor. What you have to do? You have to use common factor. Common you have to take. Common factor you have to take. Question number 13. 14 PQ and 28 P2 Q2. Here you see the common. What is the common? Common is your 14. And PQ is also common. So PQ is also common. So what else is 14? PQ is common. So here only 1 will remain. And here what will remain? 2 PQ. Or you can write 14 PQ and 2, but this will remain. Okay. Here, what is the common? Your answer will be common, because they are asking common factor. So you will write 14 P and Q. This is your answer, common factor. Now again another question we are taking. 1/5. 6 A B C 24 A B square and 12 A square B. Now this whole process I will not write, I will just tell you. Here 6 and 12. So 6 is common everywhere. Then A is common. A is not common. A is not here. So it is not common. B, of course, B is common here. B is common. B is common here. 12 A square B. 12 A square B it is. 12 A square B. So A is common everywhere. B is common everywhere. But C is not common. And B also, so this 6AB is common. So your common factor is 6AB and it is your answer. Okay. Now question number 1, 2, 3. You have to find the common factor. You have to find the common factor. Common factor you have to find. 3x square y3. 10 x3 y2 and 6 x2 y2 and z. You have to find a common factor. So here common in the number, nothing is common. Here 3, its factor 5 and 2. 5 and 2 is not here. So number you cannot do. Then x here, x here, x here. x2 is here, x2 here possible, x2 is possible. So here it will be x2, one number is possible. Then y3, y2, y2. So y2 is possible. Y2 is possible, y2 is possible. So here y2 is possible, here also y2 is possible, here y2. And z is not possible. So your answer common factor will be x2, y2. This will be your answer. Okay. Question number 2. You have to factorize the following. 2, 3. Very simple question I have not taken. 7a square, just to give you an idea, so that rest of the question you will be able to do yourself. If you listen it carefully, you will be able to do it. 7a square. So here what we will do? you have to factorize it, means you have to make such a irreducible factor of it. So 7 and a we will take out. Here a will remain and here 2 will remain. So because further it cannot be further there is no factor of a or 2. So 7a equal to 7, this will be your answer. Then sixth number, 5x2y minus 15xy2. So here what we will do, 5 is common we are taking out, then x is common, x we are taking and y we are taking. So inner side what will remain, x will remain here, okay, and here what will remain, xy, so y will remain minus 3, 5 divided by 15 minus 3 and y, it will remain. So your answer will be this one. Then we will take 10th question. Very simple questions are there. A x2y plus b xy2 plus c xyz. So here you have to take out the common factor. So here a, but here a is not there. X is here. So x you can take. Okay, y here. In all the terms you have to see. All the terms. Y is here. So xy is common. Rest xy is common. So rest here what will remain? In this term what will remain? A and x will remain. Plus you have to divide by this in it. So xb will remain. When we will divide, x will struck out, only y will remain. Okay, plus c will remain, x and y will see that. And x and y will go. When we will divide this by xy, this will remain. So this is your answer. Okay, now question number third. So this we have done by what? How we have done? We have done by taking the common out. Common alphabets we have taken out and the rest terms we have written here. Okay, now third, 15 xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Here what we will do, these type of questions we will do by regrouping we will do. Regrouping means here xy and but it is not divisible. So 5y we will take it here so that it will become more y. 15 xy plus 5y minus 6 in one we will keep it, minus 6x and plus 2. It will become, because minus we have taken out, so it will become plus. So 5 we will divide it by 5 by we will divide. So 5 we will take out and it will be 5y. So it will become 3x plus 1. And here also if you will take out 3, what will remain? 2, if you will take out 2. So it will become 3x plus 1. So you see, this is common. You have to try with such a number that at least one is common. One is common. So we have done it like this. So here your answer is 5y minus 2. It is one factor and the other is 3x plus 1. So we have found two factors of this one. Like I told you, 21 we have made 2 to 7 into 3, both irreducible and both are the factor. Here for this equation we have also made two groups, two numbers, and they are irreducible, so it has become factor of your this equation. Okay, now we'll go to the next. Now question number 3, sub is 4. 1 4. 15 PQ plus 15 plus 9Q plus 25P. Here PQ and PQ 15 and 25 we say somehow it is more close. So 15 PQ plus 25P. This regrouping we are doing. So regrouping we are doing plus here we will take 9Q first, 9Q plus 15. Okay. So here again 5 is the common. So 3PQ, 5P you take. So what will remain? 3Q plus 5 5s are 25. Plus here if you take 3 out, what will remain? 3Q plus 3 5s are 15. Now you see here and here at least one common you have find. So answer is 5P plus 3 in one bracket, and this 3Q plus 5 it will be in another bracket. How you have done? We have done by finding 2 1. This is yours. Now question 3. Question 3 5. Question 3 5. Z minus 7 plus xy 7xy minus xy and z. So here we see z is z here. So instead of, we can replace it 7xy minus 7. We will take it here. Then here if we take minus, this z is plus. So plus z minus xyz, xyz. Because if plus is outside, minus will come as it is. Now we'll take common 7xy minus 1, okay, plus if we'll take out z, so what will remain? 1 minus x and y, it will remain. So x minus 1, okay, so x minus 1, and if we want x1 as a positive number, so we want xy as a positive number. Here we have taken what we have did with z minus. So here instead of, because here xy is in minus and here it is not there, so common we are not finding. So what we will take? We will take 7 minus in outside. So if we take 7 minus 1 minus, so it will become minus figure. Plus figure will become minus, and this minus will become plus. Here also 1 is plus and xy is minus. So what it has become? And you can again, it has become minus 7 plus z, and here minus x minus plus 1 we will take first, plus 1 minus xy. So this also you have to make it like this, plus sign, plus minus plus z minus 7, and here 1 minus xy, and this is your answer. This will be your answer. Okay.